If your kitchen feels overcrowded with appliances you barely use, and you're still waiting forever for your oven to preheat just to make a simple meal, you're not alone. Most people want faster cooking without sacrificing taste, but traditional ovens just don't keep up with busy routines. So today, we're taking a closer look at the Kalorik MAXX air fryer oven, a large tin in one countertop appliance that claims to replace multiple kitchen tools while cooking faster and using less energy. It's built for families, busy home cooks, and anyone trying to simplify their kitchen without giving up variety. Right out of the box, this thing looks and feels like a serious upgrade from a typical air fryer. The stainless steel finish gives it a premium, almost built-in look on your countertop, and the French doors are more than just aesthetic. They make it easier to access food without pulling out a heavy tray. When you open it up, the interior feels spacious, and that 26-quart capacity is noticeable. You're not just cooking snacks here. You can fit a full chicken, a pizza, or multiple trays at once. It's clearly designed for real meals, not just side dishes. The included accessories add to that versatility. You've got racks, trays, a rotisserie setup, and specialized baskets, which means you're not constantly improvising. Everything has a purpose, and once you get familiar with it, the setup starts to feel intuitive rather than overwhelming. The control panel is digital but straightforward, with presets that cover common foods, so you're not guessing temperatures and times every time you cook. In real-world use, speed is one of the first things you notice. This oven heats up quickly and cooks faster than a traditional oven, especially for things like fries, chicken, and roasted vegetables. The air circulation system does a good job of creating that crispy texture people expect from air frying, without needing much oil. It's not just about speed, though, it's about consistency. Once you dial in a setting, you tend to get repeatable results, which makes everyday cooking easier. Noise levels are moderate. It's not silent, but it's not disruptive either. You'll hear the fan working, especially at higher temperatures, but it blends into the background pretty quickly. What matters more is how it fits into a daily routine. You can throw in a quick lunch, cook dinner for multiple people, or even experiment with things like dehydrating or rotisserie, cooking without switching appliances. It becomes less about using a gadget and more about just cooking. Cleaning is manageable, though not completely effortless. The crumb tray helps catch messes, and most of the accessories are removable, which makes a difference. Still, because it's a larger unit with multiple racks, you'll spend a bit more time cleaning compared to a basic air fryer. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to be aware of if you're used to smaller devices. Now, to keep things balanced, there are a few downsides. The size is both a strength and a limitation. It's great for capacity, but it does take up a noticeable amount of counter space, so smaller kitchens might struggle to accommodate it. There's also a bit of a learning curve with all the functions and accessories. It's not complicated, but it does take a few uses to feel fully comfortable. And while it replaces multiple appliances, it doesn't always outperform specialized tools in every category. For example, a dedicated toaster or high-end oven might still do certain tasks slightly better. Compared to other air fryer ovens in this price range, this one stands out for its capacity and versatility. Many competitors are smaller or offer fewer functions, which limits what you can do. On the higher end, you'll find premium models with similar features but at a higher cost. This sits in a middle ground where you're getting a lot of functionality and space without going all the way into premium pricing. So who is this really for? If you're cooking for a family, meal prepping, or just want one appliance that can handle most of your cooking needs, this makes a lot of sense. It's also great if you're trying to cut down on cooking time and energy use. But if you have limited counter space or prefer simple, single-purpose tools, it might feel like more than you need. At the end of the day, the Kalorik MAXX air fryer oven isn't just about air frying. It's about replacing clutter with something that actually earns its space. And for the right setup, that can make a big difference in how you cook every day. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description with the latest price. And if this review helped you decide, consider liking the video and subscribing for more honest, practical reviews that focus on what actually matters.